Car. The rise of AI in automotive. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the automotive industry, revolutionizing everything from autonomous vehicles and predictive maintenance to connected cars and smart mobility solutions. With major automakers and tech giants investing in AI-driven automotive technologies, the demand for skilled professionals is at an all-time high. Light bulb. Why AI in automotive? AI plays a crucial role in advancing safety, efficiency, and innovation in the automotive sector. From self-driving algorithms to advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, AI-powered solutions are enhancing the way we commute, reducing accidents, and optimizing vehicle performance. As the industry shifts towards electrification and automation, AI expertise is becoming a key differentiator for engineers, data scientists, and developers looking to build a career in automotive technology. Upward trend. Top AI-driven career paths in automotive. If you are passionate about AI and automotive technology, here are some exciting career paths to explore. Autonomous vehicle engineer, develop self-driving algorithms, perception systems, and decision-making models. Machine learning engineer, automotive AI, work on AI models for vehicle diagnostics, predictive maintenance, and ADAS. Computer vision engineer, implement image recognition and sensor fusion for autonomous driving. Connected car data scientist, analyze telematics and V2X, vehicle to everything, communication for smart mobility. AI ethics and safety specialist, ensure AI systems in vehicles meet safety, legal, and ethical standards. Bullseye skills needed to succeed. To thrive in AI-driven automotive careers, focus on developing the following skills: proficiency in Python, C++, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, strong understanding of deep learning, reinforcement learning, and robotics, expertise in sensor fusion, lidar, radar, and computer vision, experience with automotive-grade software development, AUTOSAR, ROS, OpenCV, knowledge of AI ethics, cybersecurity, and regulatory standards. Rocket. How to get started. Gain practical experience, work on open-source automotive AI projects or participate in hackathons. Take relevant courses and certifications. Enroll in AI for autonomous vehicles, deep learning for computer vision, or automotive machine learning programs. Build a portfolio. Showcase projects on GitHub or contribute to industry-related research. Network and connect. Join LinkedIn groups, attend AI, automotive conferences, and engage with industry leaders. Crystal ball. The future of AI in automotive. As AI continues to shape the future of mobility, now is the perfect time to build a career in this fast-evolving industry. With emerging trends like AI-driven electric vehicles, hyper-personalized in-car experiences, and autonomous fleets, the automotive AI job market is set for exponential growth. Speech balloon. What's your next move? Are you considering a career in AI-powered automotive technology? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's drive the future of mobility together. Oncoming car. High voltage.